the break in transmission. I'm currently editing my shirt dress styling video, and in the background I was listening to Nigerian gospel praise music. I was gonna initially change it while editing, but I'm like, you know what, it actually fits in. I'm enjoying the songs, so it ended up being a dance video, well, slash styling video. So if you're not Nigerian and you enjoy the music, I'm gonna leave the links to the songs in the description box, so check it out. Bye guys. So my last two videos were how I made this shirt dress. Well, let me unravel it and fold it. Okay, so my last two videos were how I made this shirt dress. So this video is me showing you how to style it. So if you have a shirt dress at home, or if you follow my tutorial and you made your own shirt dress, yay! I'm gonna show you 5 simple ways to style this shirt dress, from casual to like more corporate, official stuff with your heels and everything. Okay, so it's very simple. I love shirt dresses. They're very versatile for any season, any occasion. Dress it up, dress it down, you're good to go. So keep on watching if you want to see how I styled my shirt dress. Like this video, leave a comment below, give me feedback, tell me what you want to see in my next video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Somebody